Welcome to the lecture where we will create our first API called the Books API. And in this project, we will cover the CRUD operations. So we will create this list of dictionaries here, or you can call it dictionaries of dictionaries, because we have a nested dictionary here, which will contain 5 books with each book containing a title and the author name. So yeah, we will work with this dict of dicts or dictionaries of dictionaries, whatever you want to call it. We'll be using this thing here, and we'll be applying things called CRUD operations. What exactly is a CRUD operations? CRUD operations stands for create, read, update, and delete. What exactly is that? So how can we create a new book if you want to create a new book, right? How can we read all of the books, or how can we read just one book? So that's this read operation here. How can we update an existing book? That's the update operation. And how can we delete a book? So that's a delete operation right here in the CRUD. So this acronym stands for create, read, update, and delete, and it's called CRUD operation. How do these CRUD operations translate to HTTP request methods that we looked at earlier? So we have, again, create, read, update, and delete. So create translates to the post in the HTTP request method. Example is post / and we will look at these examples in much more detail when we start the coding process. Read, we looked at in the previous example, get method. Example is get / nothing. This will give you all of the books, the first one here. And if you just specify the book _1, this is going to give you the first book. Similarly, for update, this translates to the put HTTP request method. Example is put / book _2. This will be used to update an existing book. Then we have the delete operation. This translates to the HTTP request method called delete as well. Example is to delete book 3, we're going to have delete / book _3. How will we develop this API? It's pretty simple. We will create APIs using FastAPI. Then we will test the API using the Swagger UI documentation, and then that's it.